Hello, hello, hello. It's your girl Dee Cee, and it's Taco Tuesday. Look what I have. You know I got my favorite taco flats, Fiesta flats. Love them. I'm gonna use some chorizo sausage today. Got my Mexican cheese, got my foxy lettuce, and my sour cream, and my taco sauce. So I am starving, so let's get into this taco. Yes. Alright, we're gonna cook up this chorizo. We're gonna brown this up while I have the oven warming up to get my taco shells done. Alright, so I will come back in a moment. Okay, the chorizo is ready. I just added a little bit of taco seasoning for a little flavor, which it already has flavor, but I just added a little, just a tad bit. All right, yes. Taco boats in the oven. Yes, yes, yes. All right, let's put these tacos together. Let's put them together. Yes, let's put them together. Meet you at the table. Hello, it's your girl Dee Cee, and welcome to my channel. Welcome back, guys. I have my tacos. You know I love my taco boats. So I have some chorizo tacos in my taco boats today. So, as you saw, I prepared some chorizo sausage, just grounded it up, add a little bit of taco seasoning, but the chorizo is already flavorful. So I only put maybe a teaspoon, just a little bit. And I got my lettuce and my cheese. I have my taco dressing, or my taco sauce, not dressing. Get it right. Taco sauce. Some sour cream. I got some cucumbers and some peppers, and I have a salad off to the side because I didn't think this was going to be enough. So I'll eat that. And I have the non-coldest water bottle in the building. Yes, you know I like my water room temperature. All right now. All right, guys, let's say grace. Lord, thank you for this food that I'm about to receive from my mind, body, and soul. And Lord, please put your arms around us, the world, in this pandemic. Please give people common sense in this pandemic. That's all I'm going to say, because you already know what's going on. Amen, 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 amen. All right, guys, let's get started. I am starving. I only had breakfast today, which was my breakfast mukbang, my Waffle House. That's all I had today. And this sauce is hot. And actually, I think I'll put some sour cream on first. Sour cream. And now, my hands are clean and they're ashy. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. OMG. I cannot wait to bite into this. You just don't know. But I will let y'all have the first bite though. I'm just getting it all. Ooh, yes. Thumbnail. Okay, wait a minute. Yeah, here it is, thumbnail. Ah! Good thumbnail. Mm. 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 That is so freaking good. I am so tempted to bring these to a Mexican restaurant. Mm. These are so perfect. Mm. 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 Cucumber. Mm. 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 This chorizo is so good. Mm. 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 When I go to my favorite restaurant, Mexican restaurant, I do order chorizo for my tacos. Well, I came home early today to meet the plumber. It's not going to be an easy fix. Today, he's trying to source the problem out. Oh, wow. I forgot my fork. Eat with your hands challenge. My hands are clean. They're clean, I promise you. So, they have to open up my walls, y'all. He was outside. Well, what's happening is, in my guest bathroom, when the shower is on and I'm in the living room, I can hear water dripping within the walls. And also, after they take a shower, the water drips in my bathtub in my room. It's like a steady drip. I woke up, I didn't wake up, but I was in my room watching TV and I hear this dripping noise. And the water is dripping from the spout in the tub. Now, I discovered this a couple months ago. I had the plumber come out. He did something. He fixed it. So we thought. And the next day it started again. So now I'm hearing water from the guest bathroom in the living room. So when he came today, it's a husband and wife team. Keep the money in the family. I hear ya. So they came to assess the problem, and they were outside on my back porch, because that's like where the pipes are running on the side of the chimney, because you can hear it in the living room, like between the window and the chimney. And that's where the water pipes come and split off to the guest bathroom, my bathroom. So he has to open up the walls. He think he might know what it is, but if he can't fix it from the tub, he's gonna have to open up the walls. But he's almost sure he's gonna have to open up the walls, because we can hear it clearly dripping, and it's dripping like bam, bam. So there's like a little spot on my ceiling in the living room about this big, like a water stain. But it's not, it's past that water stain. It's like maybe a couple inches back, and it's hitting like some tin or something. I don't know, but now I'm gonna have to take a day off, because he's gonna have to open up the walls, and it's gonna be a little more extensive and expensive. But we gotta get it done, because if you don't take care of it now, that little stain become a big stain, a bigger problem. So he's gonna let me know tomorrow when he can come back out, so I can let my office know that I have to take a day off, so he can come out here early in the morning, get started, and do what he needs to do. Man, it's tough being a homeowner. Man, I can't call nobody. I gotta pay this bill myself. But it's all good. It's all good. Remember? Some nachos with these burritos, with this chorizo sausage. Oh my God. That would be the bomb, and some jalapeno peppers. Yep, I'm eating with my fingers. I just hope this bill not too bad. If it's over a certain amount, I'm gonna have to put it on a credit card. Which I really don't want to do. But if I have to, I will. She'll be lucky that I can put it on a credit card. Well, I hope I can. It better not be no more than $1,500. Even that's too much. But I'm just hoping it'll stay under $1,500. I'll be good. But if you want to help me pay for it, my Cash App is down below. By all means. I'm just joking. I got it. But I just hate spending my own money. It's fun spending other people's money, ain't it? I had Italian dressing. It's a little tight. Oh, last one, y'all. My last one. Make this one nice and messy and sloppy. Sloppy. Sloppy, sloppy, sloppy. Oh, yes. Ooh, this looks so good. If you have not tried chorizo, try it. That is the Spanish sausage. Mexican sausage. It's so good. I never tried a chorizo hamburger. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow. Because I have to either freeze it or eat it. So, that sounds good. No. Excuse me. Have a bite. Yum. Mmm. Mmm. You can have a bite. Mm. Woo, wrong pipe. Should always have a green vegetable. Mm. 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 I'm telling you, these Fiesta bowls. They are the bomb. Mm. 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 Oh my God. Mm. One for you, one for me. That was delicious, if I have to say so myself. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. Well, you know where I'm going. First thing, brush these braces. Oh my God. I just want to thank you guys for joining me for a quick little dinner. Woo! That was fantabulous. So, thanks for having dinner with me. Woo! Now I'm full. Now I'm full. Oh, that felt so good. All right, guys. Thank you for stopping on by and having a quick dinner. I greatly appreciate that. Whew. Whew. Okay. I felt like a loud one was coming, but it wouldn't come. All right, guys. Thank you so much. I will see you tomorrow morning. Morning workout. Have a good evening. Peace out.